Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you a brief tour of Seychelles, the island of Seychelles. If you're looking for where to spend holidays, keep watching, and we are already on the plane to Seychelles. Watch and see how beautiful this small island looks. So here is a very beautiful, clean hotel for your relaxation. Very beautiful. Seychelles is a small country in Africa and it has 3 islands. So here is one of the islands, and you can see how beautiful this place looks. Very beautiful. I couldn't resist to take a picture of this. So beautiful and clean for you to spend holidays anytime, any year. Yeah. And here is what the sea look like. It's super beautiful. So in this video today I said no cooking because my channel is a cooking channel, and it's also a channel that shows lifestyles and healthy drinks, shopping for food ingredients, which I have not been doing, but I will be doing so. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to enjoy amazing yummy recipes coming on this channel, and don't forget to share my video to your friends and family. So this is a very beautiful island to spend any holiday, anytime, any year. Very beautiful. And here we have one of their baskets, platter and fresh coconut milk, super healthy. It's just nice for your relaxation, everyone. So you can see the very clean, cool weather. If you're looking for where to spend your holiday, then this is super cool. I'm just giving you a brief tour of what this looks like, what the camera was able to capture. So there, it's bicycle you used to go around. So alright everywhere, hope you enjoyed this very video. Thanks, stay safe, see you when I upload my yummy recipes, and bye for now.